Recently had a family come to me wanting to downsize the property that they were living in so that they could have the lifestyle they are looking for in their retirement years. Moving can be a chore, mostly because you have to deal with the lovelies that are what are your lovelies? Lovelies are all the collectibles or things that you accumulate throughout your living space that you're leaving. So, what do you do with the lovelies when you're moving into half the size of a home? Everybody knows about the three pile systems. Pack it, give it up, or donate it. It's popular by a lot of organizer professionals and it can get you started. Get started by tackling one room at a time and packing up what you're taking with you as you go. No one cares if you are selling your home and you have boxes stored that you've packed to take with you. Second one to toss is to be bold. If an item is at the end of its usefulness, take the step to relieve its service and donate it to the trash can. Yes, like threadbare items of clothing or household goods, anything broken or not being used in the way it was meant to be used. Let go of the emotion behind keeping it and know that it can go in the trash can. What do you donate? Where do you go to donate items that still have a useful life? Well, we all have our favorite donation sites, where we can pull up and drop off our lovelies for the new owner to take possession. Plenty are thrifted and being resold, sometimes at great prices. But what about donations that go directly to families in need? The Action Center is possible on the West Side. They have a fantastic center for self-sufficiency that will take donations of many kinds. You can visit their website for wants and needs and drop-off times. Another is a CASA, a court-appointed special advocate for children. These donations can go directly to children and young adults who are in the system or are aging out of the system without families to support or guide them. Household items for these young adults can make a huge difference. They can take some furniture, bedding, sheets, kitchen items, whatever you would like to donate, they could probably make good use of. Speaking of the furniture, how about old furniture becoming new again, given new life by creative individuals who can see past scratches and dents to a newer, beautiful second life? Mid-modern furniture is all the rage along with antiques. Upcycling furniture is a whole newer industry with a couple of places where you can taste your lovelies or that are furniture is freecycle.org. You can list a piece or grab a piece of anything that you can find on there. You can make an offer on Facebook Marketplace is a great place. You put up photos for free or Facebook private groups, buynothing.golden.com, Golden Word of Mouth, Golden Neighbors and Friends, or join an option like Furniture Flippers. Furniture Flippers is a Facebook group, a community who flip furniture. So they are looking for furniture to recycle and upcycle. A lower sales price in those things can make a good income for somebody who's doing that. You can also look at the Habitat resale. Habitat Restore is in Littleton, and it's open now for business at habitatmetrodenver.org. They have a long list of items that they accept and donations of what you can and cannot leave. Better yet, if those don't work, ask around your friends and family. Someone may know a upcycled person who wants furniture to flip, and they're willing to come take it off your hands. So remember, moving is a chore, and if you're looking for some organizational assistance, reach out via messenger, call, or text for referrals to professionals who can help you sift through your lovelies or catalog and pack a whole house while you're shopping for your new home with me.